Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today, everybody, we have our wonderful Granny Succatash. Yes, okay. So we have some nice olive oil sauteing with some onions, everybody. We want to make it sweat. Oh, yeah. Come on, let's sweat, rich baby. Granny. I'm sorry, I just got into it. Okay, so now we're going to add in some frozen corn. Now, I know a lot of you guys saying, oh, why are you using frozen corn? Can't you use fresh corn? Yes, you can. You can do that if you want to do all that work. But this is a 5-minute succatash, everybody. So we have a frozen corn added in with the sweated of the nice onions, everybody. We're going to mix this all together. See, the onions were nicely perfect, not too brown, just perfect. We're going to keep on stirring it and stirring it, everybody. You know, Grandmother, this was really good. This is one of my favorite dishes when I was younger. I know, and you ate it all, too. I sure did. Okay, so we only added some frozen okra, everybody. We have frozen okra already chopped nicely. This is perfect. We're going to smooth this on in together. Let it all just blend all in together. We're about to add the flavors, what you put in to make it taste so good. Well, I know it's my favorite. Yes, we're one of the family favorites too. We actually had it for Thanksgiving as well, and everybody tore it up. So, we have been asked to, do a little bit more vegetables, dishes, and recipes, so we're showing it here. Now, we're going to keep on stirring it, everybody, okay? We don't want it to burn. We have it up on a medium about a medium. It's about a medium fire. So not too high. It was high at first to get the hot oil, sizzling with the onions and all that stuff, and then we brought it down. Now we're going to add in some garlic, everybody. We love garlic in the house here. We just love it. It's so good for you. It's healthy. Also, kind of keeps the mosquitoes away, too, because they don't like garlic in your pores when you're sweating, pores and stuff like that. Now we're going to add some better than bouillon, Italian herb, everybody. We love our better than bouillon. Yes, we do. I'm telling you, they're so good. We just love all the flavors they have. Yes, we sure do. So we're going to add in some of that. So we add in about a nice heaping tablespoon of that into the skillet, everybody, okay? So as you see, we're just kind of eyeballing it and everything. We're going to put the actual recipe in the bottom description box on our YouTube channel, so it'll be easier for you, okay? So we're going to stir in that nice Italian herb and make it all nice and pretty and just flavors going throughout. Now we're going to add in some petite tomatoes, diced tomatoes, everybody. We love petite because it's nice and small. It's not too chunky, but it's perfect for this kind of dish. Now it's kind of like when we use for chili. We use our diced tomatoes when we make chili, but it's all good. We want to use this one right here. We're going to stir it on in. We did not add that whole can in there. We added probably about half of the can because we're only making enough for 4 here, everybody. Okay, now we're going to keep on stirring it. Make sure it's all sauteed together. The tomatoes is going to fill the herbs of the Italian herb of the better than bouillon and get it all mixed in together. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's so pretty. It sure is. It's so lovely. Yes, it is. Now, this is what we're going to do. So we let that come on up to a nice boil here because we turned up the fire a little bit more. We're going to add in some more of that Italian herb, better than bouillon, everybody. We need that flavor to go out through all of this because it's like we're adding all these frozen vegetables. And so, they're sweating and it's giving a little water action going on here. But that's okay. That's fine. That's why we're adding a little bit more of that. So we added the 2 tablespoons of the Italian herb, better than bouillon. Okay? We're going to stir it on in there and let it go ahead and simmer. We're going to turn down the fire a little bit and just let that go ahead and cook a little bit longer. Okay? Now, we went on and turned it off. It is all completely and done. And this was at 4-minute mark. Look at that, everybody. Isn't that lovely? Ooh, that's so pretty. I just love it. Now, this is something you can serve for potlucks. You can serve it at the baby showers, the parties, whatever it may be. Just throw it on in there and see what people do. A lot of people like it. Some people say they complain about the okra too. Yeah, some people don't like okra. That's fine. Eliminate the okra. You don't need to put okra in there. Now, here it is on a nice plate. There it is. What y'all think? Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it tastes so good. It's just mouth-watering. Yes, it is. It's very delicious, everybody. And it's nice and healthy, too. And this is a way to try to get the kids to eat their vegetables as well. So if you like what you see, go ahead and, hit that and smack it up with a nice like and share. And also follow us on the YouTube channel. And we like to thank thank Desiree Farrow. Yes, for following us on our Mama Soul Kitchen on YouTube. And welcome to Granny's Yellow Table. See you soon.